This video in the Spatial Data Repository series will teach you how to download custom data packages for spatial data analysis within a geographic information system, also known as GIS. For an introduction to the Spatial Data Repository, view the Introduction tutorial video available on the Resources page. For an introduction to the Boundaries page, view the Survey Boundaries tutorial video, also available on the Resources page. The Spatial Data Repository provides geographically linked health and demographic data from the Demographic and Health Surveys program, also called the DHS program. You have three options when downloading data. The single country option will allow you to choose specific surveys from one country. This option will also allow you to download U.S. Census Bureau subnational population estimates and projections, and detailed HIV packages, containing survey-specific indicators that aren't available in the standard database. The Many Countries option will allow you to download indicator data for the most recent surveys from multiple countries. The All Countries option will allow you to quickly download the most common indicators for the most recent surveys for all available countries. We will explore each of the data download options, beginning with the Single Country option. Click the single country image to start the customization process. The status bar shows the steps to build the data package and highlights your current position. At any point, you may press Start Over to return to the main data page, or click the Back button to go back one step. The left panel provides instructions, and the Question and Information button gives additional help. We will select Bangladesh from the drop-down menu to view the data available. The right panel displays all the data available for the selected country. When available, population estimates and projections from the U.S. Census Bureau will display in orange and may be downloaded by clicking on the text. The 2014 Bangladesh DHS has interpolated surface data available, which provides a standard set of spatially modeled map surfaces for recent population-based surveys. Click the blue text to navigate to the Modeled Surfaces page and begin your download. You may select individual surveys from Bangladesh, or click the Select All button to choose all the available surveys. Notice there is no checkmark next to the 2014 SPA survey, which is short for Service Provision Assessment, because that survey is not currently available in the database. However, you may still download the subnational boundaries for the survey by clicking on the Boundaries link. After selecting one or more surveys, click Continue to select your indicators. The 28 most common indicators have already been selected for you. A single download can include no more than 30 indicators, and the current count of selected indicators is shown at the top of the right panel. To view a larger list window, click the Expand button. Click the Edit button to customize the selected indicators. This will turn the left panel into a list of all the available indicators grouped by subject. You may click Clear All to clear the entire selection, or you may deselect individual indicators by clicking them in the left panel. Click the arrows next to the indicator selection to expand or contract the indicator groups. The right summary panel will automatically update when you select or deselect indicators in the left panel. To revert to the selection of the most common indicators, click the Restore Defaults button. You can also remove indicators in the right panel using the red X button. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click the Continue button to advance to the download options. The right panel summarizes the surveys and indicators to be included in your download. The left panel lists download options. Choose either national or subnational data. Next, choose the data format. Select Shapefile format unless you are using Esri ArcGIS products that are compatible with geodatabase format. Finally, choose the download method. You may download the data in the internet browser depending on the number of indicators or surveys selected. Or if you have a slow connection, you may choose to receive an email when the data package is ready, instead of waiting for the download within your browser. The email will contain a link to download the custom data package. Remember to check your spam folder if you do not see the email in your inbox. Once you have chosen your options, click the Download button to begin the download. We will return to the data page and select the Many Countries option next. The Many Countries option will allow us to download indicators for many countries in one package. The most recent survey with the most indicators available will be included for every selected country. For example, the user chooses several malaria indicators for a data package. A 2013 DHS survey did not include a malaria module, but a 2008 DHS survey from the same country did include a malaria module. The 2008 survey would be included in the download data package because it has data available for more indicators than the newer 2013 survey. The default selection is for all available countries. Click any country to deselect it, or click the Clear All button and choose your countries of interest. Restore Defaults will return to the default selection of all countries. Click the Continue button to advance to the indicator selection. Similar to the single countries example, the most common indicators have already been selected for you. Click the Edit button to customize the selected indicators, or click Continue to advance to the download options. Once you have chosen your options, click the Download button to begin the download. We will now return to the data page and select the All Countries option. This is an express option that allows you to quickly download the 25 most common indicators for all available countries. The most recent survey with the most indicators available will be included for all countries. Simply select your geography level, data format, download method, and click the Download button to begin the download. This concludes the data download tutorial for the Spatial Data Repository. Check the resources page for additional videos on the Spatial Data Repository and the DHS program.